Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about permutations and combinations. Very simple concept and important. It may comes for 2 marks in public examinations. Dear students, let us have a discussion the concept first. In a given n things, p alike things are one kind and q alike things are second kind, or alike things are third kind, and rest are dissimilar, then the number of permutations are, the permutations means which are arrangements, or n factorial by p factorial into q factorial into r factorial. Out of n things, p are alike, that is the first kind, q are alike, which are second kind, and r alike things which are third kind. Suppose fourth, fifth kinds also there, we can write it. Otherwise, the rest are dissimilar. So, remaining how many arrangements we can get from n things is n factorial, total number of things divided by whichever the things are alike of kinds, different kinds, that factorial we are writing. For example, so take the first question here, total 6 questions are there. We will discuss all the 6 questions. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the words independence. First you have to write given word, proper steps, given word, independence. So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of letters. So number of letters. Here NO, like this line is there, means number of, it is not no. Number of letters equal to 12. So which is equal to n. Next, how many are alike? First we will check that. How many eyes are there? Only one eye is there. You can leave it. How many n's are there? 1, 2, 3. Number of n's. 3 are there. Number of, next d's. 1, 2. Number of e's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rest all one only. See I 1. Next P is also 1. C is also 1. N completed, D completed. So the rest all 1. So what are the 1? P, N, I, P, I, C. So remaining here 7, 6 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 12. Anyway 12. So therefore the number of arrangements, the required number of arrangements, the total number of arrangements are, the formula is n factorial by p factorial into q factorial to r factorial. This is p, this is q, this is r. According to our convenience, we will make it. So n factorial, that means 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial. That's all answer. No need to expand. Leave it like this. Come to the second one. This is the first question completed. So second question is mathematics. So first step is given word, mathematics. So total number of letters in that letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In this 11 letters, how many are alike? First M will take it. Number of M's. 1, 2. Next, T. Number of T's. 1, 2. Next, A also. Number of A's. 2. M over, A over, T also over. Next, remaining all residual is E1, next H1, I1, C1, S1. So here 5 plus 6, 7, 11. So therefore, the total number of, here also total 11 is N. The total number of arrangements, total number of arrangements are, so total is 11, 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Rest all are 1 means we can leave it. We can write like this also. 11 factorial by 2 factorial whole cube. 3 are there no? Come to the third question. In this third question, singing it is. The given word is singing. Given word, it consists of how many letters? The number of letters in the word. Number of letters in the word. In the given word particularly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. So how many eyes are there? Number of eyes. Number of eyes. 2. 1, 2. Number of ends. Number of ends. N, 2. Number of G's. 2. 1, 2. So this is P, this is Q, this is R. So therefore, the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word singing are, that means the total number of arrangements. The total number of arrangements. The total number of arrangements are, so n is equal to what? 7. 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So here total 7 are there. So here only S is the single one. So 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial whole cube. We'll move to the remaining 3 questions. The next third question is fourth question, sorry, Roman letter 4. Given word permutation. So the number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In that, so how many P's are there? One, no need. So E also not there. R also not there. M also not there. U also not there. T also not there. Ah yes, T is there. Number of T's. So 2. A also only one time. I also only one time. O also one time. N also one time. So the number of T's 2. So total this is equal to N. This is only P. So the total number of arrangements are from the given word permutation is 11 factorial by 2 factorial. That is the answer. Come to the next question. In this question number 5, the given word is combination. Combination. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the number of letters in the given word combination 11. So n is equal to 11. So how many C's are there? One is there means no need to write. O, 2 are there here. So number of O's 2. Next M. M also 1 is there. Only B also 1. I 2 are there. No? So number of I's 2. Next N. N also 2 are there here. So next A only 1 is there. P is also 1. I O already we wrote. N also we wrote. So we have these are the possibilities. So therefore the number of arrangements, total number of arrangements from the given word combination are n factorial by, that means 11 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So we can write as 11 factorial by 2 factorial whole cube. We come to the last one. The given word is intermediate. The given word is intermediate. So in this intermediate word, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of letters are 12. So we can write it here. N is equal to 12. So how many I's are there? 1, 2. So number of I's 2. Next number of N's. There is no N other than this. T. 2 are there. 2 T's are there. Number of T's 2. Next E. So 1, 2, 3. 3 E's are there. Next R. R is also not. M. That also not there. E already covered. D also covered. D is also only 1. I already wrote down 2. A is also not there. So T already we wrote. So these are the possibilities. So the total number of arrangements from the given word intermediate are 12 factorial by, n factorial means 12 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial. We can write like this also, 12 factorial by 2 factorial whole square into 3 factorial. So thank you dear students for watching our channel. Please do subscribe and share and support to my channel. And if you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Thank you all. Signing off. Maths with Panindra. Jai.